First, the top headlines. Union Home Minister Amit Shah arrived in Imphal. Talks begin with CSOs and women organizations. And curfew relaxed in Imphal East and West for 7 hours. Hello and welcome to ELITETV, your English news bulletin. I'm your host Deemita. Before giving you the news, we requested to follow the SOP given by the government, wear face masks on in public, wash hands regularly and maintain a minimum of 6 feet between one person and another. ELITETV also requested to get vaccinated in time to protect ourselves from this virus and play your part in the fight against COVID-19. Now the news in detail. Union Minister of Home Shri Amit Shah arrived at Imphal Airport yesterday at 9:20 p.m. and was received by Chief Minister of Manipur and Biren Singh, Minister of State Home Nityanand Rai, National Spokesperson BJP Shambhit Patra and Cabinet Ministers. Home Ministers Shri Amit Shah proceeded to the office of Chief Minister Manipur and held a closed-door meeting with the Chief Minister Manipur, Union Minister of State for Home, Council of Ministers Shambhit Patra, National Spokesperson BJP Ajay Kumar Bhala, Secretary Home, Government of India Tapan Kumar Dekha, Director of Intelligence Bureau DIB, Chief Secretary Government of Manipur and Security Advisor. Detailed discussions were held from 9:40 p.m. to 10:45 p.m. at the Chief Minister's Secretariat, and the following decisions were taken: to restore normalcy and bring peace to the state at the earliest, to take necessary actions to improve the law and order situation and build confidence among the public, to expedite relief measures and make essential items like petrol, LPG gas, rice and other daily requirements available to the common people, compensations at the tune of rupees 10 lakh, rupees 5 lakh to be borne by the state and rupees 5 lakh as central share to the deceased persons, and the provisions of one job to the family of the deceased persons. Telephone lines will, with the help of BSNL, will be installed to these plurals.
Imphal International Airport ni Manipur da tholiba irang si yangsina wedamakta Union Home Minister Amit Shah mafam asida thungduna lairare hojik makhatana sia banglo da salab matung governor gi da thunglagani mahaki ahing asi karam da mafam da laigani habigi chapchawo pau phangba laitri me ahum dagi hoduna tholakhiba irang asida laksina wedamakta nakalani maki leader sing CSO sing unaduna wari sanagani cameraman langamaga loina pauduri ba paitong kontham ELITETV.
Meanwhile, talks with women organizations stated at Rajbhavan. Later, the Union Home Minister to talk with the CSO and MLAs of ruling party. Moreover, the Union Home Minister to visit Rajchandpur to talk with the CSOs and many leaders of the Kuki community. Curfew has been relaxed in Imphal East and West till 11 a.m. today. Markets and shops were open in both districts. People rushed to purchase essential items during the curfew relaxation. At least 7 people were killed after a bus going from Punjab's Amritsar to Jammu and Kashmir, Katra, fell into a deep gorge in Jammu, officials said on Tuesday. According to Jammu DC, 16 people sustained injuries, of which 4 are seriously injured. A crane is being brought to see if someone is trapped under bus, CRPC Assistant Commandant said. At least 9 people, including 3 children, have been wounded in a mass shooting at the beach in Florida, US. The police have not released further details about the ages of the victims, but all of them were in stable conditions, according to a hospital spokesperson. Preliminary investigation shown that an altercations between 2 groups resulted in gunfire. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday said he is filled with humility and gratitude at the BJP-led government in centre completed 9 years. Every decision made, every action taken has been guided by the desire to improve the lives of the people, he tweeted. In a tweet, BJP wrote, "Let's celebrate 9 incredible years of development, transformations and welfare of Modi government." And now let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more updates.
Babina Diagnostics Manipur da ihan hanba oina ingsok lising amaga chamapal marifuhumdoi da linkhatki. Masina awang nongpok Bharat da yamna pak chawna miyoi bagi ana layeng da darkar lakpa makhal kaya gi changyeng sing pangthoi. Mayamdugi marakta amatang pallabada radiological investigation su mai pak na pangthokli. Wana hona jaba miyoi bagi sebani khana angam bathak ta laibak thiraba ana ayek nanglaba kayagi mating pangjaba si sakhang biduna awang nongpok ta ihan hanba oina NABL gi accreditation pibirakhi. Miyam gi pothafam ngainafam testofam report lawfam gi awaba du kokhanduna changfam hangfam pothafam gari parking cafeteria yauna marang kaina leizaraba unit ama oina miyam gi seba taujari. Unit asida thamjariba matamgi darkar oirakpa equipment singdi 1.5 Tesla MRI, 128 slice CT scanner, mammography, DEXA scanner, digital X-ray, loinana hematology, clinical chemistry, amadi clinical pathology, immunology, microbiology, molecular biology, amasung immunohistochemistry studies ki masing yamlaba automated analyzers.
Welcome you all to UNACO College, Kongman, Imphal East, an exclusive co-educational college offering both BA and BAc courses. UNACO College will be affiliated to Manipur University, Kanchipur. First academic session will begin in July 2023. Hurry up! Registrations and admissions open for 2023-24 academic session.
Miyamda Kanganjaba UNACO School Chanungda Security Force Lairibasi School Asiga Karimta Mari Lainajade Mapam Sida Security Force Thamba Pamba Pamdaba Haibasi Miyamna Lepiu Miyamgi Warip Aduda Ekoi Saguchay Luinina Atopa UNACO Gi School Singda Security Force Amapauba Laisilak Palate Miyamna Hozik Hauriba Iho Asi Manipur Kannanaba Oibana UNACO Group Su Miyamgi Iho Asida Saruk Yazari Kanghanjariba PRO UNACO School Chanung.
Welcome back again. You're watching ELITETV's English News. India's Startup 20 chair Chitan Vaishnav said G20 member countries are working to develop a framework to define startups. The idea is to come up with a framework which is applicable across different economies, Vaishnav stated. He added that discussions will be also held on cross-border investment and supporting startups that are willing to be measured by sustainable development goals. The accidental firing of a BrahMos missile into Pakistan cost India Rs 24 crore, the government told the Delhi High Court, while justifying the dismissal of 3 IAF officers for gross negligence. The government mentioned that decisions to dismiss the officer was taken in the IAF after 23 years as facts and circumstances of the case warranted such action. President Draupadi Murmu and Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday attended the ceremonial welcome of Cambodian King Norodom Sihamoni at the Rashtrapati Bhavan in Delhi. Sihamoni, who is on 3-day visit, had arrived in the national capital a day earlier. This is the first time a Cambodian king is visiting India in nearly 60 years. China has sent 3 astronauts to its now fully operational space station as part of crew rotations in the 5th manned mission to the station since 2021. The spacecraft Shenzhou 16 or Divine Vessel lifted off atop a Long March 2F rocket in the Gobi Desert on Tuesday. The Chinese space station was completed in 2022 and after 11 crewed and uncrewed missions. For ELITETV News Channel, connect to the email address info@elitetv.in or 9402890982 and subscribe to ELITETV YouTube channel or follow on Facebook page, Instagram and Twitter for more information about the channel. And now let's take a look at headlines once again. Union Home Minister Amit Shah arrived in Imphal. Talks begin with CSOs and women organizations. And curfew relaxed in Imphal East and West for 7 hours. And that's all for now. For more updates, keep watching ELITETV English News. Thank you and have a great day.